just purchased a DJI Action 5 Pro camera last week, Friday, and it was around $490. And I'm just gonna do an unboxing of this camera for the viewers, what I got for $490 in this box. So I just opened the DJI Action 5 Pro. This is the bag, the box that it came in, and I opened it and I got basically 5 items. The DJI Action 5 Pro camera, really nice small compact camera. The guide, the screw to mount this, came with a curved mount. Well, this is what I got: the mount, one battery, the C-type charging cable, and the case. I guess this is so that you can mount it vertically also, because you have vertical mounts on this side of the case. If you can see it, you have a mount where this will go, and you lock it in like this, and you can put it on your mount tripod, whatever you have from DJI, or any other accessory that you're using to mount it. So this will go inside this case. And I got some stickers. I guess these are to reduce the vibration between the camera and the camera mount. There are some stickers right here. So 6 items all together that came in the case. And you got the Osmo quick start guide and some other stickers, and the QR code to join some kind of DJI user for app. So all this is what I got for DJI Osmo Action 5 camera, and I'm going to try to use this camera this week and see how the pictures come out, and pictures and videos come out, and share it with the viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time.